New lab session of Microsoft Excel. So in the last two videos we have seen that how to count numbers in a selected range, how to count text in a selected range. Now in this lab we will see some conditional counting. Okay, what is the meaning of it? So let me explain using one example. Suppose these are the marks obtained by some student. Let's say these are the name of the student, Now suppose I want to check that how many students have got, let's say, more than 60% mark. I want to count. Okay, so suppose here you see these are the marks and these are the names, and now here I want to check how many of them how many students have got more than, let's say, 80% or more than 80 marks. Okay, so for that we use one function that is called CountIF. So let me write CountIF. If I start the bracket, so this is the range where we have to check. Now just give a comma. Now write the condition, let's say greater than, let's say, 70, and close this bracket after putting that double quote, and now press enter. So you see 7. So you see I have checked that how many of them got more than 70 marks. So there 7 is showing. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 students have got more than 70 mark. Now I want to check how many of them got more than 90 marks. So just write count if, just select the region, put a comma, now write the criteria, that is more than 90 or more than or equal to 90. Now press enter, you get 2. So those 2 students have got. Now how many of them got equal to 60 mark? Okay, let's say I want to check count if from this region I want to check how many of them got, let's say, 60 mark. So just press enter, I got 0 because none of them have got exactly 60 mark. But I want to check 56, let's say I've got 256 or 98. So let me modify this formula using F2. Now instead of 60, suppose I've written, let's say, 98. You got 2. You see there are 2 marks. So this is the function we have seen, that is CountIF function. So using CountIF function we can count the number of cells based on your desired conditions. Okay, now I want that there is a question you try to solve at your home. I want to check how many names are there whose length are, let's say, less than 7 characters. How many names are there? Let's say if I check this, this name is having 3 4 5 6 characters. So I want to check how many of them, how many names are there which are having less than 7 characters.